In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign shifts in Hubstaff. If you need to organize team schedules and make sure the right people are assigned to the right working hours, Hubstaff makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can create shifts quickly and assign them to a team member with confidence. To begin, look over to the left-hand sidebar in Hubstaff and click Calendar. This is where scheduling and time-related planning are managed, so it's the main area you'll use when working with shifts. Once the calendar page opens, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct section. At the top of the calendar area, select the Schedules tab. This tab is specifically designed for planning upcoming work time, assigning availability, and creating shifts for your team. If you're in a different tab, you may not see the shift creation options, so it's important to switch to schedules before moving on. Next, click Actions, and then choose Create Shifts. This opens the Shift Creation panel, where you'll enter the details for the schedule you want to assign. This is the part where you define how the shift should look, so be careful to review each field as you go. Depending on your setup, you may be able to choose the date, start time, end time, and any other scheduling details available in your workspace. As you fill in the shift details, make sure the information matches the actual work schedule you intend to assign. It's a good idea to double check the timing before saving, especially if you're managing multiple team members or coordinating across different work periods. A small mistake in the shift setup can create confusion later, so accuracy here really helps. Once the shift details are filled in, click on the team member field and choose the person you want to assign to that shift. This step connects the schedule to the correct individual, allowing them to see when they're expected to work. Be sure you select the right team member before finalizing the assignment. After that, your shift setup is essentially complete, and the assigned team member will be linked to the scheduled shift you created. This is a simple but effective way to keep your team organized and make work schedules easier to manage inside Hubstaff, and that's how to assign shifts in Hubstaff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.